In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit resume in WPS Office using your computer. Welcome, and thank you for joining me. If you are working on your resume and want a simple, professional way to edit it on your computer, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process in a clear, smooth, and easy-to-follow manner. WPS Office is a great option for resume editing because it provides professionally designed templates that help you save time while still producing a clean and polished document. To get started, open the WPS Office desktop application on your computer and wait for it to fully load. Once you are on the main screen, locate the Docs section and click on it. This area contains all the tools and features related to document creation and editing. Inside the Docs section, click on the option labeled Create from Template. After clicking this option, WPS Office will automatically take you to the Resume Template area, making the process faster and eliminating the need to search through multiple categories. In the Resume section, you will see a wide selection of templates with different layouts, styles, and designs. Take a moment to browse through the available templates and choose one that best matches your needs and personal preference. Some templates have a modern layout, while others follow a more traditional or detailed format. Selecting the right template helps your resume look more organized and visually appealing, which can leave a better impression. Once you have selected a template, click the Download button. WPS Office will begin downloading the template file so it can be opened for editing. Wait for the download to finish completely before continuing. After the download is complete, the template will automatically open in the editor. You can now begin editing your resume. Click directly on the text fields to replace the existing content with your own information. Update your name, edit the Summary or About Me section, adjust your education and experience details, and modify any other sections included in the template. If the template contains a photo, you can also click on it to replace it with your own image. As you edit, review each section carefully to ensure that all information is accurate, clear, and well written. The formatting is already handled by the template, so your main focus should be on presenting your qualifications in a professional and readable way. Make sure the content flows smoothly from one section to the next. Once you finish editing, your resume is ready to be saved and used for job applications or future updates. Using WPS Office on a computer makes resume editing fast, straightforward, and accessible, even if you have little experience with document design. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.